Hey you guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys how I organized all of Luna's bows. As you can see, it was getting out of hand and I needed to figure out something to have them more organized. So if you'd like to know how I organized her bows, then please keep on watching. So I picked up 4 of these racks that I picked up from IKEA, and then I also used double-sided tape at first, and then I found that command hook strips worked a lot better. So what I did is I cut down the strips to the size of the hook, and then I aligned that to the wall, and then I just repeated the same process 4 times. And then these are the little hooks that I actually used to hang the bows. These do come separately, they don't come together, so you will have to pay for them separately. And I believe 5 come to a pack, so I had to get a few of them, and I actually even have to go back and get more. I underestimated how many bows Luna had. And what I did is I hung one bow first to see how far apart I needed to put each rack. And then the next step I did was take out all of the hooks out of the bags. That way it was easier for me to hang the bows. And then I just started hanging her bows. I tried to do like a color coordinating type of thing and it turned out pretty good. But I do need to go back and grab more hooks like I said. Little Miss Luna is just the little queen of bows. And then for the last row, I ended up using this one for her thin bows, like I said, I do need to purchase not only more hooks but also more racks, because everything ended up, you'll see that everything ended up looking very condensed, and I didn't like how it ended up looking. So I do need to purchase more so it doesn't look so sloppy and messy. And then I also picked up a few of these little white containers, which I also want to grab more of. And then I mainly use these for her larger bows and also her little turbans that she has. So at first you'll see that I did a very sloppy job with the rest of the bows that I had no hooks for, but then I go back and I take a few of the bows out and I just put them off to the side, and I use the containers for her turbans. So we went from this to this, and I love how it turned out. I love the color coordinating. I love how just everything looks so much more organized, and it's easier for me to grab a bow and go. Let me know down below what you guys think. And like I said, I do want to add a few more rows because there was a few that I didn't get to hang and they kind of looked a little too condensed, but overall I like how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this organization video. Please let me know down below if you guys like to see some more organization videos, and if you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.